Introducing the 2025 Fiat Ducato 35 L3H2, a powerhouse of a van with 140 horsepower and a sleek white exterior. This manual transmission diesel van is sure to meet all your business needs with features like air conditioning, cruise control, Bluetooth phone, and more. Safety is a top priority with ABS, multiple airbags, and collision avoidance braking. Plus, with a warranty and full health and safety check, you can drive with peace of mind. Don't miss out on this reliable and efficient van. Call us at Dooley Motors Carlow or visit our showroom today. Drive into the future with the Fiat Ducato 35 L3H2.